Hello everyone, welcome to Emmanuel Tutorials. In this video, we'll be seeing how to solve the job sequencing problem with a greedy approach. So we can start. This is the problem that we have. We have 4 jobs and the associated profits and the deadlines are given. So what is a job sequencing problem? If we have been given multiple jobs, we have to prioritize them in a way that we achieve maximum profit. So whatever jobs are not possible to be completed within the deadline, we have to discard them. So that's what we will be doing here, and we are using the greedy approach in this case. So the first step that we have to do is we have to arrange the jobs in the decreasing order of their profits. That means in the descending order. So what I have done is I have listed the jobs here based on the descending order of the profits. So actually for job J1 the profit is 100, for J2 it's 10, for J3 it's 15, and for J4 it's 27, and their deadlines are 2, 1, 2 and 1. So the highest profit is for job J1, so we have listed it first. Then the second highest is 27, which is job J4. So the next job is J4. Next is 15, which is job J3. And the last one is 10, which is job J2. So according to the profits, we have enlisted them in the decreasing order and their corresponding deadlines have been written. Once this is done, we are completed with the first step. Now the second step, we have to start arranging the jobs. So for our understanding, we can just construct something like this, like an array structure. Since there are 4 jobs, it's like an array of size 4, and we have to simply start placing the jobs inside them. Now the job with the highest profit will be given the highest priority. So here job J1 has the highest priority, so we have to try to complete it within the deadline. So the deadline is 2. So what we are supposed to do is we have to place it in its position. So the second cell in the array, we'll have to place J1. Now after this, we have completed job J1, and the profit accordingly we'll have to increase. So the current profit is 0 and the profit for job J1 is 100. So the total comes to be 100. Now we can start with the next job. Now the next job that we will have to add is 27 and its deadline is 1. So we have to look at this structure and see if this job can be placed at a location where it can be completed before its deadline. So we do have a cell empty, which is the first cell. So if we place J4 here, we can complete the job. So in the second step, we have placed J4 at the first position. So the profit will be the sum of profits of J1 and J4. So the current profit, which was the profit of J1, is 100 plus the profit associated with job J4, which is 27. So we have the current profit as 127 now. Now we can go to the next job. The next job that we have is J3. Now J3 it has a profit of 15 and its deadline is 2. So if we look at this figure, J3 cannot be placed in any of these cells because it can't be completed before the deadline. The spaces are already occupied, so J3 will be discarded. Similarly, we can see J4, we can see J2, which has an associated profit of 10 and its deadline is 1. But since the first cell was also occupied, this also can't be placed in the queue. So it will be discarded as well. So this would be our final solution. So the profit would be total of 127 and this would be the job sequence. So J4 will be completed and then J1 will be completed. We can't complete J2 and J3 because they wouldn't have been able to complete before the deadline. Hope you all understood how to solve the job sequencing problem with a greedy approach. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share our videos and also subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials for more videos. Thank you.